Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It is only 5:13. Today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can get into your to see my merch. I already created an account. So I'll just go to sell and start selling now. Yes, so open your own t-shirt store. You go through a bunch of stuff, and then it'll bring you here to your designs. And you press here, you press the upload more designs to, or just drag it here. And you go to me, and Bria. And it'll bring you here. And you go here, and you guys can go to preview. And it'll take you here to the t-shirts, and you can go to all, and go to women's t-shirts, all for men, kids and babies, all. Yeah. So I also added phone cases. And yeah, so just iPhone cases. Also, I put bags, and also I added a mug that you guys can get. And so baby and toddler t-shirts. Well, these are baby t-shirts. And these are for toddlers. You guys can get them in different colors, like, so you can get it in purple. All kinds of colors if you want. So, basically, that's how you do it. Let's just go to hoodies. So you guys can, check out where, back into the link. So basically, when you first get here, link in the description to get here. In my last video, the link in the description. I'll also put a link on this video. But you guys can check out my other video to see the link as well. So you guys can just go to shop. Well, not shop. You go to sell, and it'll say start selling now. You press that, and it'll say sell on marketplace or open your own TV store. You don't just have to put t-shirts on it. So that's what I went to when I first started. And it'll give you a bunch of information you gotta fill in. And you get to here, and you can just go here. It'll show you. You press browse, and it'll show you like add photos from your iCloud. Yeah. So, anyways, that's how it works. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to never miss a video. I will leave a link in this video right now.
Like her sister or something?
I don't know. Okay. And just go here, copy. I got the link down. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to never miss a video.